Do you want to start reading? Here is the easy way. You probably know that reading is very good for you. It trains your brain, you learn more things about the topics you like, and you become more articulate with your speech. However, it is so hard to start reading. Sometimes you get enough motivation to read for 1 or 2 weeks, but life gets in the way and you end up reading nothing for a whole year. This video will give you an easy tutorial on how to start reading. Firstly, you can use 2 pages per day technique. Your initial goal should start reading the book, not finishing it as soon as possible. The goal is so small, there are no excuses not to do it. No matter how busy your life is, or whatever happens that day, reading 2 pages per day is very easy. However, you have to do this every day. All it takes is just to start reading your book, and you might end up reading 20 or 30 pages per day. Of course, sometimes you might feel tired and you can just read 2 pages, but you should never skip. The goal is to build a habit that sticks. The more frequently you do it, the more motivation you'll get, the more enjoyable the activity will become. To give your brain even more dopamine, try to mark your progress. Maybe set up a big calendar or create a nice Excel spreadsheet. Our brains love seeing visuals that demonstrate our progress. That's why some people hate letting go of that Snapchat streak, or they play RPS video games where they can see their stats going up. Another technique is writing down the place and location when and where you're going to read. For example, what worked for me was that I wrote down on a piece of paper, I will read whenever I'm on a bus to work at 7:03 a.m. Since then, whenever I'm using public transport to work, I just automatically take out my book and start reading it. There, I can read my 2 pages per day, and usually once I start reading, I'll keep reading it until the end of my journey. That will give me at least 10 pages per day. And you're on a public transport, the only alternatives are mindlessly browsing on social media or listening to the same songs. So why not ease your boredom by learning something new? If you happen to drive to work, you can write down, I will read in my bedroom just before I go to sleep at around 10:30 p.m. Whichever location you would choose, make sure you actually put the book in your work backpack or keep your book on your bedside table so that you can easily access it and see that you need to read your 2 pages per day. These are the techniques that finally built my reading habit. And trust me, I used to hate reading books. Just the thought of it made me feel tired. So if I could do it, you can do it too. Good luck! Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please press the like and subscribe buttons.